The Grainger Engineering Marketing and Communications team has created several email templates for use in web tools. Examples can be found on the Marketing and Communications website. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create an email using one of these templates. To get started, log into Web Tools. Then navigate to Email Plus in the main menu. Create a new email by clicking the yellow Create button. Choose the Email from Template option and select the template you want to use from the drop-down. Select an option for sender as well as email administrator, then click the Continue button. Update the subject line and fill in any other fields your email may require. Save your work, then go to the Message tab. Here, you will see all of the modules built into the template. These are just a guide to help you get started. Modules may be added and rearranged if necessary. To edit an existing module, click its name. Copy and paste your content into the text box. Update any links by clicking on the underlined text in the editor. Then select the link icon in the toolbar. Paste your link into the URL field. For accessibility, update the link text to be as descriptive as possible. Save your changes, then go to the Image tab. Before adding your own image, delete the placeholder. Choose a new photo from your computer and fill in the alternative text field with a description of the image. Then select the Upload button. If you want, you can now choose an image click action or adjust image settings. If you make any changes, be sure to save. Then go back to the main Message tab. Once you have added all the content to your email, go to the Appearance tab. This is where you will apply your department or unit Illinois Wizard email skin. Just select your skin from the options on the left. Now your email should be ready to send. Just be sure to view it and test it before sending the final email.